All right. So today we have Vikas with us. Hello, Vikas. How are you doing?
Hello, sir. Hello, good evening, sir. I'm fine. How about you, sir?
Excellent, excellent. So Vikas, I'm very happy that to see your success in this weightless journey. So before we start about discussing what you have achieved, let's talk about the background. So which place you are from, and what do you do? Just a little bit about you.
Yeah, of course, sir. Well, my name is Vikas Kumar Pal, sir, and I basically belong from West Bengal, district Darjeeling, Bagdogra. You have heard about the Bagdogra airport. It's a very famous place,
Yeah, yeah.
and I was born and brought up in Bagdogra only. And after that, I did my schooling from Air Force School, Regional School, Bagdogra.
Hmm.
And after that, I moved to KB Bagdogra for 12th. Then again, I shifted to went to Siguri College for my graduation part. Then,
Okay.
while doing studies and all these things, BSc pass course, I got selected in Indian Navy on 2000. Then I got recruited in 2000. Then I went to Indian Navy, and I had served for 15 years, almost 15 years. After glorious service of 15 years, I retired on 2015. I got retirement in 2015. Then
So
after
you retired
2015,
from Indian Navy.
yes, sir, I have got retirement from Indian Navy, sir, in
Okay.
2015.
Okay.
And on 2015, sir, after doing this job, I thought of doing something else, changing my mindset. I thought of doing some entrepreneurship like this, helping people, whatever experience I've achieved. I thought of doing something, imparting knowledge to all these things to everybody. But
Mm-hmm.
again, I got stuck with some other issues with family reasons, all these things. And you can say that lack of knowledge, lack of ignorance. Then again, I joined our banking sector, Bank of
Mm-hmm.
India, and presently I've been serving in Bank of India for the last 5 years, and
Okay.
still I'm serving. And what to say, sir? Father, husband of loving wife, and
Mm-hmm.
father of two sons, staying
Awesome.
happily
Awesome.
married with mom, dad. Everyone is with us, with family, sir.
Excellent,
So
excellent.
this is
Bank
the
of India.
background, sir. Yes,
Okay, that's good. From Indian Navy to Bank of India. Great transformation.
yes,
Congratulations.
sir.
Great. So talk about something very important because see, people when they come from Navy background or Air Force and all this stuff, right? Typically, you learn fitness and all, right? So
Yeah.
how actually the things change? If I ask you, when did you gain this fat, belly fat, and all this stuff? Can you
Mhm.
talk about that? It's interesting, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, of course, sir. Actually, when I was in Navy, sir, that time we were trained to be physically fit and mentally tough. Okay,
Hmm.
sir. This was our what to say slogan. Okay, that time I was really physically fit and mentally tough. My health fitness was to the optimal level, and we
Hmm.
were doing some adventurous works also. You can see, you see that in Navy part, you see we have to go to oceans and ships and all these things. We have to do the swimming, all these things. So
Correct.
suddenly, after this 2015, when I got retirement,
Hmm.
I never thought that means from that life to this life, it is a totally drastic changes for me, sir. You see,
Okay.
sir, at the time my belly fat was very good, sir. I was very good that time, and then again suddenly when I joined this banking sector, this sedentary lifestyle. Not for banking sector, I would talk about whole working professionals, those who are
True.
doing their sitting jobs from 9 to 5.
Yes.
Not 9 to 5. You see, they have to get up at 6 o'clock, and till then 8 o'clock they have to work.
Mm-hmm.
Almost 2 hours they have to work, and
Mm-hmm.
since then you have to do the work just like sitting, means just like a monotonous job.
Yes.
And slowly, gradually, what happens is my belly fat started to come out, and suddenly I realized, see, if this is the situation for me, and most of the colleagues, most of the seniors, they were also fighting with these issues, health challenges. I
Mm-hmm.
asked one of them. They were saying that somebody has diabetes, somebody has BP, sugar, and they are that too. They are younger than me, sir. And I
Okay.
realized this is the situation our this means our country, because that time I was in Navy, I was good, and adventurous life I was enjoying, and
Mm-hmm.
suddenly such a transformation, it has means given a sudden shake to me. Now this is the time, and this is the alarming situation that right now I should work, and
Correct.
whatever I will gain, I would like to impart to them so that they can also means come out with overcome these problems of health challenges, sir. This is the means mindset that I found, sir.
Definitely. Very good. Very good mission actually. Helping people, getting them fit because sedentary life is killing everybody.
Yeah, that's what, sir.
One
That's what.
job. Yeah. And you could feel it within, after coming to this civilian life, right? Till the time you were in
Yes,
Navy, everything was fine. The time you came to civilian life, it's all gone for a toss, and you can see
That's for sir. That's for sir.
great.
And of course, sir. And you and Uma ma'am really means amazing, sir. Amazing. When I saw your photographs and pics, no, it really gives me a goosebumps to me. Started stating me, what is this? For two after 6 months, you people have totally drastically transformed yourself, sir. That is the means what to say. My gives me the main motive, or you can say motivation factor for me, sir. You and Uma ma'am, really, sir.
Definitely.
I must say thank you to you people, sir.
Awesome, awesome, great. So let's talk about something which is, yeah. So what is the weight before you join Fume? I mean, what is the weight and what is the
See,
height?
sir. See, sir, coming to my weight segment, sir. When I have joined in 26 July, that time I was already 75 kilo. Okay, sir. My weight was 75 kilo, and my waist size turned up to be 34 inches that time
34.
before joining the Fume.
You might be wearing medium, large kind of thing, right?
Medium, large, like that, XL, like that, sir.
In between that, yeah.
And after joining 26 July, on 26 July, I saw means actually, sir. Actually, how I happened to see your this film community. I've joined this film community because earlier, no, sir, I was very much big fan of Siddharth Rajsekar, sir. At that time, I was I was looking about him, and that time I was searching for something like that belly fat that. And in Siddharth Rajsekar, sir, Hall of Fame, I saw you, both of you, sir. There you people are giving interview to them. That
Okay.
time I saw this is the perfect place, and this is the perfect niche that you people have. And that niche, because what happens now, my frequency, my whatever things are resonate with you people, sir. Then suddenly I realized that this is the right place. Then I should start doing it. Then I committed. Then at 26 July I have joined it. You have called me. I have joined it 26 July. Then since then I have started. And after 3 months, sir, my weight has reduced to around 65 to 66, almost 9 to 10 kilos, sir. And my waist size, that is more wonderful. It gives me immense pleasure about my waist size. That has reduced from 34 to, sir, 31. Now is almost 30 to 31. Even my colleagues and my office staff, they were saying that don't reduce that much because you look like 18 years.
I think 30 is good. 30 is really
So,
good.
I told,
You can wear small. You know, it's awesome. You know, as a man, you know, 30 is great. I can tell you.
yeah, of course, as a man.
It's like-
Because now I'm running 40, sir, and if I go to 18 years, then it will just look like anything, sir. That's why I've stopped it, and slowly I'm doing, sir, everything, daily day-to-day practice and activities, all these things I'm continuing, sir. I've been doing all these things.
So yeah, so that's great to know that you're into. So almost you lost 10 kgs, close to 9 to 10 kg in just 3 months, right?
Yes, of course, sir.
So we had a slogan. Remember, dream body by Diwali.
Dream by Diwali, sir. Pardon?
Dream body by Diwali. We had discussion, right? I told
Yeah,
you,
sir.
dream body by Diwali. You have achieved that.
Yeah, sir. Yeah. We had a discussion, sir. That time you have asked me what is your goal and all these things, and I told you, sir, that before Diwali, I'll definitely achieve it. And you have even messaged me also that what is the means progress. That time I told you, sir, it will take little time, sir. And you told me that it's a matter of time, sir.
Great, congratulations! That's a great success. You know, getting back to your ideal shape is the best thing what you can do.
No, of course, sir. Of course, it's a feeling, sir. It's even means that feeling I can't express to anybody, sir. It's a feeling, really. It means from body partner. If I stand, you will see my body.
Yeah, always
You can
see you in doing workout sessions. You are really fit and looks very, I can say, agile and very excited. You know that it's a happiness, and happiness is one of the secrets what people lose weight.
That's what.
It's not gonna work. Great.
That's what.
So because let's talk about you know how things have changed, because see previously you were like 75 kg. You know, one thing, the dress part and all that's obviously you can wear small and stuff, you know, your favorite dresses, but how the life has changed, how do you feel now, because you got that 65 kg, which probably you were in the Navy days, right? You might be around that weight.
Yeah, sir. Actually, sir, things have changed drastically, sir, and things are really moving very great, sir. Daily, this day-to-day activities, earlier it was there in my life, sir, but suddenly it has stopped for 4 to 5 years. Then again, you people have picked me up, and I have started. And this once I have started, and this daily day-to-day activities, of course, makes me energetic and enthusiastic for the whole day, sir. And I never feel tired about this one. And after doing all these things, especially my this what to say, sir, my the stress level, sir, stress level, that cortisol hormone. There's a, sir, cortisol hormone, stress hormone is there, that has increased sometimes. Sometimes it increases. What happens, sir? That time, no physical change. You will start to get physical changes, and
Correct.
that physical changes leads you to a lot of health challenges. And
Correct.
then I have realized that cortisol hormone, my level of this cortisol hormone has reduced drastically, and stress part is almost vanished, sir. And I'm really feeling very happy, and I'm playing with the children. You remember, sir? You won't believe, sir. Morning I get up at 5:30, and I go to playground, and there I play football. And most of the children are there, sir. Most of the with the kids, I play football, and I impart knowledge. Whatever I learn from you people, sir, I try to impart them. This is the workout you do. Deal with the health challenges, and most important thing, sir. Earlier I was a very good football player, sir, but after means this one, belly fat, I couldn't able to move my waist and like this. But after this one, sir, I play football. That is the very means very much what to say, gives me means very happiness from inside, sir. This is the
That gives a
thing
lot of
that I got.
happiness, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. That's awesome. Awesome. Great. So it's like you are now living a dream life, if I understand. You're able
Yeah,
to
yeah, yeah. Of course, of
play
course, of
games,
course.
you want to go, impart values to people and give the excitement. That's crazy, right? You never
That's
thought that
crazy,
will
sir.
happen. Great. 9 years is
And
a small number, that's not a small. Actual life will change, 10 plus is something, it's a different world. It's like
yeah, of course, sir. Of course, of
altogether
course.
different.
Even my clothes, sir, even my clothes, you won't believe that the normal clothes that I wear daily, day to day, that has reduced drastically. Whenever I put my buckle and all this, that time it shows that so means loose. I have to change all my trousers, all these things. Means really, sir, it's amazing, amazing journey. And actually, Uma madam always used to say that मजा तो जर्नी में ही है, डेस्टिनेशन तो अलग बात है, sir. That's what hit in my mind, sir.
So let's talk about, once you came to Fume, right? And you already might have tried other programs. I mean, you might have tried something yourself. If not programs, you might have tried yourself watching, different social media and all. So how did you find it's different from any kind of other programs and all, other, channels?
Okay, sir. Well, I would say, sir, I was also searching for this lot of channels, YouTube channels, search there. So there's a difference between search and research. When I saw, after researching, I saw your interview and all these things. First of all, I got into this. And second thing is, sir, when I saw a lot of videos, YouTube, there are a lot of YouTubers, a lot of videos are there for exercise, workouts, weight loss, so many are there. But what you will find there, no? There are videos are there, but there is no structured content is not there.
Correct.
But when I shifted from there, because I was totally confused that time. When to start dieting, when to do the exercise, when to do the workout. So all are mingled up in my mind.
Yes.
Then suddenly, then we had a discussion with Uma ma'am. Uma ma'am came and that interview. I think we had a, what to say, we had a face-to-face meeting that time.
Okay.
She said that because you start measuring your body first, then after that you start with a balanced diet, and then after that do the workouts. So that time, said that confusion, a little bit confusion. What was in my mind, that it's totally changed, completely vanished that time. And after that, I asked ma'am, how could be it is different from others? Ma'am said there is a structured content. You come from 1 to 10, not 9, 10, 8 like this. That's what. Then I said, ma'am, this is what the right platform I was waiting for. So that day, we had a discussion like this also. She laughed that time also. So basically, Fume is all about such structured content. And I would recommend everybody that actually most of the people, they are ignorant. Most of them don't have idea, because in Google we search. We don't research. So there's a difference. Research. We should do the research, then come to the particular place, right platform, because there are many things are there in India, sir. We go, if we move to the bad thing, then we moving to the wrong side. And if you take the right path, we'll definitely move to the right side. And Fume is of course, the right platform, sir. What I get, because belly fat is for me is a dream body, and after the reducing this one, really, sir, means amazing, sir, amazing. So this was really
very important. Many people, if you're watching this video, you can understand, how you're different from other companies. There are many people are doing the, they are weight loss thing, but it's all about not weight loss, it's or something else. But here they are, you have to follow structured content, how it is going to be different.
That's
Next question for you is very important. So, what happens, people when they get in any program, right? They always, there are a lot of diet restriction, there are a lot of strict going to the gym and stuff, right? That is what people they feel that if I have to restrict my food, if I stop eating, then if I go to the gym hours for hours, I do workout, I'll lose weight. So how did you find that's different in Fume? Did you restrict, you stop eating completely, or did you really enjoy your favorite foods and you still lost weight?
Actually, sir, no, sir. Uma ma'am, you people says very good thing, sir.
Mhm.
For weight loss, you need not to leave your food. You have to eat food, and कम खाना ज़्यादा खाना से नहीं होता है. You have to eat healthy food. That's what the very good thing that I like from you people, sir. And earlier also, actually, I forgot to say, sir, this I have joined some gym, one very good gym in our this area. At that time, I used to go to gym also, sir. But in gym also, sir, means it's totally unstructured content is there. Daily doing exercise and all these things. Means I didn't find it for me. This means I couldn't able to cope up with that situation.
Yes.
So after that, I've left it. And for this part, sir, if I say, yeah, of course, sir. Means what to say, gym and so many weight loss. Even if I go to Facebook also, I'll find so many Facebook what to say segments are there. They are saying that for lose weight after for in 10 days you will lose 10 kg. For 5 days you will lose 5 kg. Healthy 5 me. So many things are there. So many means unwanted elements are there, because these are the other things, sir. Actually, it depends upon totally a particular perfect platform, sir. If you get a perfect platform, you of course definitely anybody can achieve this dream, sir. Anybody can achieve, and consistently, sir, dedicatedly, whatever you people have said that time, you people have structured in such a way. First of all, you have to set your mind. That's what the mindset is. Then after you have to come to self affirmations. Then after you come to self goal, the written goals. Then after that, body measurement, all that. But after completion of this one, you go to workout and doing it consistently, dedicatedly. Of course, you definitely. And most important thing, your breathing techniques, sir. That techniques, I don't even know the techniques that you have to follow. Yes, we people are doing exercises daily, day-to-day exercises. Most of the people are even doing for the 1 year. They are not even losing belly fat, because they don't have a technique. And new people showed me the techniques, sir. That's what the breathing techniques, water. Madam Uma madam has said that वाटर तो बेसिक सी चीज है, तो कोई तो ध्यान देते नहीं है, लेकिन दैट्स व्हाट द वाटर इज ऑल अबाउट. अ वेरी गुड थिंग, सर. वाटर को समझना इज अ वेरी डीप वास्ट थिंग, सर. Water, health is wealth. These are the things, sir. And breathing techniques, most important, the breathing techniques, sir. So I followed this meticulously, continuously, day to day, and I've achieved my goal, sir. That's what.
Congratulations, you're a very good student. So proud of you that you have followed everything. Because we talk about the knowledge, but applying knowledge is more important. It's not about knowledge.
That's what, sir. Applying knowledge is very much important, sir. Applying knowledge. Knowing is nothing. Knowing is nothing, sir. Knowing is nothing.
Correct.
Knowing. In school, we have learned, sir. Knowledge is power. I think knowledge is just a potential power, sir.
Yes.
And this applied knowledge is power, sir.
Yes.
In schools, we have means I see means the schools also means so many things are there that we have learned, sir, that should be eradicated or
because what you learn we don't apply, and that there's no practical implementation of what you learn. That's a major challenge, right? And I think that is why we need to understand how to learn from the real life experience, and that is why you
practical. That's what practical.
Because I think you got your goal right now. 65 kg is your dream weight, right? What is your next goal?
That's a very good question, sir. My next goal, sir. I think I already had a discussion with you, sir. My next goal would be, sir, just like you. I am following your same path, sir. Okay. You people are means what to say, my mentor, guru, and all these things, sir. I am following your path, and definitely, sir. I would love to help people in this health space, sir. Basically, those are dealing with health challenges and belly fat, of course, imparting knowledge to them. And I want to be basically means coming future. I want a tag belly fat loss expert. If I could be like this, sir, that would be great for me. And I can be a very good student of yours. That's what, sir. And so that I can help a lot many people, those who are dealing with this as issues. So there's a one quotation I heard from Zig Ziglar. I don't know if you have read of this one. You will get whatever in life you want. Only thing, you have to help enough others what they get, what they want. Yeah. To get what they want in life, then you will get everything, sir. That's what this quotation is very much famous, and it hits my mind. So I follow this one. And if you help others, sir, that's just like you people are doing, sir. You are helping people. You are making India great, sir. That's what. Thank you. And nowadays, nobody is there. Means just like you people are doing. It's a great job, sir. Great job. So
Thank
I'm
you.
following your path, sir. So my next goal would be, sir, become a health trainer, health coach, and fitness coach like this only, sir. I set up
Great,
my
great.
mind.
Congratulations. If you help enough people to get what they want, you will get what you want. That's what I think
Yeah, that's
you're
what,
you're
sir.
referring to. Great. I think you are spot on. You're there. Great. So now let's talk about this. A biggest problem in society right now. बहुत लोग आते हैं, जैसे कि weight loss नहीं हो रहा है, fat loss नहीं हो रहा है, सब कुछ try कर लिया, diet कर लिया, exercise कर लिया. Then they say that just think about this. Why people, there are many people who don't get results. Okay,
Mhm,
they
mhm.
start, they quit. So what is the advice you can give? The importance of mentorship or coaching, or what do you feel that the most important, or maybe discipline? What do you feel is the most important part for the people who are looking for belly fat loss or fat loss?
Actually, for them, sir, I would recommend, I would advise, not recommend, I would urge them that first of all, that very basic thing that comes to our life is discipline, sir.
Mm-hmm.
If anything, if they take anything, they pursue anything they are doing, they should follow it meticulously and consistently and with discipline. That's what, sir. Main thing. And this particular platform, yeah, of course, this particular platform, if anybody comes and joins and doing the things properly, whatever you people are teaching in a right way, and actually most of the people are flying here and there, they are not doing the things properly. At least follow one thing. Don't go here and there, one, two, follow this one, this one, this one. So many authors, there are so many things they are following, and ultimately they end up with nothing.
Nothing,
So
yeah.
that's what. If you are following the fume, particularly follow fume, and ultimately, never means what to say, that hard work never goes in vain, sir. It will
Yes,
automatically lead you to a success. And I would
definitely.
say, sir, and advice, I would say that you people have already said very well said one word, sir. The obesity is very much dangerous as compared to smoking, drinking, and the poverty, sir.
Yeah.
And let's win this battle. So I'm in this battle for with you, sir. There's a
Yeah.
very great quotation, and there is a three lines, sir. Health is wealth. Health is wealth.
Yes.
We try to ignore these three things, but this is the exact fact of life, sir. Health is wealth. Because
Yes.
now we people are running behind money, and we are losing the health and everything. And the
Yes.
same vicious circle will come after 60. You will see, sir, for this health, we have to lose our money, all these things. So
Correct.
we need to understand, we Indian, we need to understand the things, because health is everything, nothing else. As you say, sir, there's a Sri Ravi Shankar. I heard his quote. He says so good about this health. Mom, dad, wife, son, husband, daughter, nobody, friends, not at all. Your real life partner is your body. Once your body stops responding, everything is stops. No one is with you. You and your body stay together from till your birth, till birth to death. And what you do to your body is your responsibility. Not that will come back to you. The more you care for your body, the more your body will care for you. What you eat, what you do for being fit, how you deal with stress, how much rest you give to it will decide how your body going to respond. That's what. Remember, sir. Remember one thing. Remember for those who are joining, who joined, your body is the only permanent address. Sometimes we people used to write, what is your permanent address? We write Palana, UP, Bengal, like this. There is no permanent address, sir. This is the permanent address. Our body is a permanent address. We basically were living. We are living. So your body is an asset and liability, sir, which nobody understand. Most of the people don't understand. Which nobody and no one else can share this body part. Which your body is your responsibility, because you are the real life partner. And I would urge everybody to be fit, take care of yourself. Money comes and goes. Relatives and friends are not permanent. My dear friends, remember, no one can help your body other than you. So join Fume and come to the particular right platform and achieve your dream body. Definitely, you people will achieve, sir. That's what my what to say. My not blessings. My what to say. Duai with
आपकी दुआएं
everybody.
जबरदस्त है बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा. Great guys.
Shubhkamnaएं,
So
sir.
great. Thanks a lot. So because everybody watching this video, I'm telling you, this is your responsibility to take care of your body. The biggest takeaway, your permanent address is not your any other address. It's all your home. Your body is the permanent address. So take care of your
Permanent
body.
address, sir.
After especially COVID, we understand that money,
That's
everything has no money value if you do not have good health. And health is wealth, more than wealth, in fact. If health is
everything,
not
sir.
there, nothing is left.
Nothing is left, sir. Nothing is left, sir. So we should more focus on health, sir. Basic part.
Yes.
Then बोलते ना सर healthy रहेगा इंडिया तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया पक्का definitely we'll achieve this
Definitely.
one sir.
Yeah, let's bring a revolution. This is the right platform, and I'm glad that because you also finding this a good opportunity for you to be into fitness, help a lot of people, and that's why everybody watching, just make sure that you are fit first before you help anybody else. Very important.
Yeah, of course, sir, of course. And whenever I get time, sir, I'll come to your Bangalore, and definitely I'll see you
We can
set up
meet.
and all this.
We can definitely meet. I'm looking
We'll
forward
meet,
to meet
sir.
a lot of people who are, fumers. We have fumers.
So
Here now.
yeah, famous. We are famous, sir. I
Yeah.
always be your students, sir. Yeah, of course, sir, of course.
Great. Thanks a lot because this is a great, great interview with you. I'm glad that you came to this platform and you really have got the results. And I can see the excitement you bring to the whole community, and that really rubs up on other people. And we are gonna make it big. Thanks a lot for
Yeah, of course.
making it happen, and let's make it a big in this country. Okay. Thank you. Thanks
Yeah,
a
of
lot.
course, sir. Thanks a lot to you also, Uma ma'am, and my
Yeah.
Fume community, because without them, I couldn't have achieved anything in my life. But because daily this community part is very much essential for us, sir. Because if you
Yes.
single, if you alone, if you start, you won't come to the position, because community matters a lot. Because motivation comes from that team, sir. And if you come as a team, we'll definitely come to the particular position, particular achievement, whatever we have dreams in our lives, sir. So it's a thanks from my inner soul, sir. Thanks from my inner soul to Uma ma'am and you, especially you people, sir. And I'll be yours, what to say, for lifetime student, remain lifetime student.
Lifetime
And
student. Great.
I'll not leave you people, sir. I'll always disturb you people. They start telling me like this and all these things.
Anytime.
Of course, of course, of
Anytime.
course. Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks for me.
Thank
Thanks a
you.
lot
Thanks
for
a
you
lot.
people.
Thanks a lot, Vikas. Thank you.